More corruption and controversy out of Leon County, Texas, and honestly, this isn't surprising to me, and if you know our son's case, you know exactly why. But apparently, Assistant Superintendent Carol Dickey was indicted this week by a grand jury after an investigation showed that she failed to report a romantic relationship between an educator at the Centerville ISD and a student. Now, Dickey has been formally charged with failure to report employee misconduct. It was reported that she found out about the relationship, let this employee resign, who is now working at a new school district in Groves, Texas. Now, the name of the educator hasn't been released because it's still under investigation and they have not been formally charged yet. Now, you would think with the circumstances, the Centerville ISD School Board would be asking for Dickey's resignation, or at least firing her. But no, the school board's got her back 100%. Even going as far as to set aside $30,000 of the citizens' tax money to pay for Dickey's personal defense for an attorney in Houston, Texas. Now, there are many parents and citizens of Centerville, Texas that are not happy with this decision. Matter of fact, a couple of parents addressed the school board asking why their tax dollars that are supposed to go to their children's education and their children's school is going to be used for Dickey's personal legal defense. Now, some members of that school board claim that they think that these allegations are false. Now, Dickey is a longtime resident and employee of the Centerville ISD for many years now. She actually was the principal when my daughter went to school there almost 20 some odd years ago. Now, again, this is power, money, and who you know. Because when KBTX 3 reached out to the Sheriff's Department to receive Dickey's mugshot and a statement, they refused to give them both. And we all know that they're always in a hurry to post our mugshots. As a matter of fact, I went to the Leon County Sheriff's Department's Facebook page to see if I could find that mugshot. They didn't post it there. And they post everybody's mugshots there. But one statement from the Centerville ISD School Board claims that the Centerville ISD community needs to stay steadfast in their betterment of their school district. What? Now, the school board claimed that if for any reason Dickey is found guilty or takes a plea deal, she will be responsible for refunding that money back to the school board. Now, personally, I feel like that mugshot isn't being released because the Sheriff's Department is trying to protect the reputation of Dickey. Now, I would say that I'm interested in seeing where this case goes, but I'm pretty sure she's going to get a slap on the wrist or they're going to drop the case and nothing's going to be done about it and she'll go about her life and the school board will be $30,000 shorter.